For a free family fun, why not pick yourself up a cardboard box for free from any supermarket or appliance retail store and take your kids grass tobogganing. It is a fantastic activity to do with the kids, and it gets you out into the sun and having a good time. Everyone can have a good time. I find it absolutely fun to do. All you need is to find somewhere with a nice steep hill, short grass, and you too can be having some fun family time for no cost. A great way to spend your Saturday or Sunday afternoon. And the more people I find, the merrier. Like I said, all you need is a cardboard box that you can cut. The larger the box, the better. The smaller boxes tend to turn and topple you off. So why not pick up a box today, find yourself a grass hill that's been freshly mowed, and go grass tobogganing today.
Let's go! Whoa! Ah! My feet made it. You okay?